Have you ever pondered over the intricate system that divides our Earth for mapping purposes? The system that helps us make sense of our vast and diverse planet? Welcome to the fascinating world of the Universal Transverse Mercator, or UTM, coordinate system. The UTM system, in its grandeur, divides the Earth into 60 distinct zones. Each of these zones spans 6 degrees of longitude in width. The system begins with Zone 1, which covers longitude 180 degrees to 174 degrees west. As we move eastward, the zone numbering increases, culminating in Zone 60, which covers longitude 174 degrees east to 180 degrees. However, the UTM system excludes the polar regions that lie south of 80 degrees south and north of 84 degrees north. Now, one might wonder, how does the UTM system account for the immense north-south extent of each zone? The answer lies in the ingenious application of the transverse Mercator projection. This projection is used in each of the 60 zones, thus enabling the mapping of large north-south regions with minimal distortion. But the UTM system does not stop there. It further reduces distortion by limiting the width of these zones to 6 degrees of longitude. This ensures that no zone is wider than 668 kilometers. Furthermore, by reducing the scale factor along the central meridian to 0.9996, a reduction of 1 in 2,500, the system ensures that distortion is held below 1 part in 1,000 within each zone. However, as with all things, perfection is elusive. As we approach the zone boundaries along the equator, the distortion of scale slightly increases to 1.0010. Yet, this minor increase in distortion is a small price to pay for the accuracy and simplicity that the UTM system offers. To summarize, the Universal Transverse Mercator system divides the Earth into 60 zones, each spanning 6 degrees of longitude. It uses the transverse Mercator projection within each zone to map large north-south regions with minimal distortion. By limiting the width of these zones and reducing the scale factor along the central meridian, the UTM system ensures that distortion is held to a minimum. So, the next time you marvel at a detailed map or use a GPS device to navigate your surroundings, remember the intricate and ingenious UTM system that makes it all possible. The UTM system, in its silent and efficient way, helps us make sense of our vast and beautiful planet.